Good morning, biology. Today we have a guest star, Nick Clement, with us today. Hello, Nick Clement.
Hello, everyone.
So, tell us why you're here today.
I'm here to teach everyone about muscles.
Now, you may be wondering, how are these fishies moving? It beats me, but Nick over here knows the answer. How do animals move around?
You ever wonder when your muscles are moving? You can ask me, I'll tell you. It's when you're moving, because your muscles move you. And now I'm going to run around for an example of muscle movements.
Now, Nick Clement here is going to interview me about what I've learned about muscles. Nothing.
This is why.
Because he hasn't told me anything yet. That's funny.
So, what are muscles made of, Nick Clement?
Muscles are made of bundles of muscle fibers, and break it all the way down to the sarcomeres.
What is a sarcomere? Striations of muscles?
You couldn't be more correct.
Wow, that is brilliant. And are those striations made of two specific material? This is a muscle. Arm muscle looks like. Here we have a bundle of muscle fibers, which is basically just a bundle of muscle cells. You break that down, and then you end up getting all of these little myofilaments. In the myofilaments, we have sarcomeres, which are striations in the muscle. In those sarcomeres, we have this little diagram right here with myelin heads, myelin, and the actin. The myelin heads grab onto the actin and move down, and they just, like that, until the myelin basically pulls the actin together, and that's how the whole muscle contracts. It all starts in the cell.
Alright, as I understand it, Clark, there are 3 types of muscles within our body. We have skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles are our only voluntary muscles in our body and are controlled by neural impulses coming through neurons from sensory receptors into our brain.
Wow, that must be the muscles that helps us get around in our everyday business. Like
That's the
walking.
muscles that help humans move, little fish swim in the ocean, and any animal on Earth get around. Next, we have smooth muscles, which are involuntary muscles that help us breathe and blink and do our...
And consume our food and digest?
Yes,
And
do
our
our
epiglottis squeezing?
our everyday tasks that we can't perform on our own. Fuck, we do perform on our own.
We do perform them on our own, it's fine. Next we have cardiac, I believe. Tell us a little
Next
bit
is
about
the cardiac muscle. It is an involuntary muscle that's in the heart, and it's striated and it's autorhythmic. Which what does the autorhythmic help us with, Clark?
Autorhythmic means that we don't have to think about it ourselves. It has its own rhythm. Auto meaning self, rhythm. Ik means pertaining to rhythm. Break that down, and you have pertaining to self, rhythm. Dude, it looks like I'm an elf.
Looks like I'm a blockhead.
Therefore, a heart beats on its own. That's basically what that means. But notice how smooth is the only one that's not striated. It moves much slower. It's not as a quick jerky movement like an arm moving like that. It's more of your muscles like kind of bloop 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 like your stomach. Well, that's all we got for
all we
today.
got for today.
Sorry that there's not much and you really didn't learn anything.
We'll be back with a real video soon.